Good morning. Uh, there is a case which deals with land sealing law. See, there were several acts regulating sealing of lands, but unfortunately, in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and several states where Congress was ruling, slowly they have dropped the actions being taken under Sealing Act, Land Sealing Act, Cultivation Sealing Act. But in Rajasthan, I hope probably the act would have been repealed or stalled. But the case was related back. Therefore, recent judgment before the Supreme Court. But you must know, unless and until this act, if it is alive, it should be implemented. By deceiving the statute, several land owners are possessing huge lands and depriving the farmers' legitimate right. Why this act was not properly implemented, God only knows. You see, the AR 2021 Supreme Court 494, Daulat Singh, deceased LR versus State of Rajasthan. There they say Rajasthan imposition of sealing on Agriculture Holdings Act. That means the act restricts that if anybody have excess of land, that will be acquired by the government, and it will be distributed to landless poor people. But this was being get over by so many tactics, Sridhana tactics, and here the person seems to have transferred the land in favor of his son by settlement deed. Therefore, the gift was also discussed. Transfer of Property Act, Section 122, 123. The gift was also defined in this case, and finally the Supreme Court held that there was a gift, and the gift was acted upon by his son, and after the execution of gift deed, the person against whom the land acquisitions or sealing action was taken was in possession of the land within the sealing limit. This is how they have got over the case. This case was decided on 8/12/2020. Recently, probably this case has earlier filed very late this case. No, civil appeal was 2010. So after 10 years, this was. Kindly go through that with strain and painful heart. I submit that in Tamil Nadu, particularly several political leaders are holding excess land contrary to the Sealing Act. I do not know what they are going to do. After all, now the entire democracy system has been now failed, and there was no concentration of poor or rehabilitation of have-nots, and nobody is there to take care of that issues as that was considered by statesmen like so many leaders, including Marx Engels, Karl Marx, Mao Zedong. And here in Tamil Nadu, the very communist party substandard their activities and they are indulging in performing their background music for the other political party, which give them arm of a few seats. It's all right. And then the entire system of our democracy is not in a democratic way. The U-turn democratical system facilitating the high command be elected first, and after their election as the supremo of the political party, then there will be a diminishing elections to the to the division lower grade, etc. That is not democracy. That is nothing but a business. Like companies who elect their managing director initially, and the managing director is appointing so many persons, engaging, terminating. This is what happening in Indian political democratic system. Election Commission is not concentrating on these issues, and the Law Commission is also not concentrating this undemocratic democratical system of political parties who enjoys a lot of privileges, claiming as recognized political parties, even though they are running a company, commercialized activities, monopoly in administration, dictatorship in appointing, terminating any, just like gang leaders. The political parties are appointing their divisional secretary, and divisional secretary is paying tribute, his share, after having collecting from the by illegal means. This is what happening in every political party, and there is no exceptional part. Holistic political parties also, they are also indulging in the same. Therefore, multi-number of political parties are there, whether they win the elections or not. If they are divisional secretary, there will be a share to them from the businessmen who indulge in illegal activities. So many companies with the assistance of government servant are stealing currencies, misusing gas supply. Lot of things are happening during night hours, and all political leaders, the divisional secretaries and the zonal secretaries and ward secretaries always very active during night hours, and they go to sleep only late hours and rise after 11 or 12, and that giving him amazing wealth, and after collecting that wealth they are paying to the respective political parties. If this type of democracy is continue to prevail, I don't think that we are living in democracy. We are proud to claim that Democratic Republic of India. Okay, that's all right. So, kindly go through Rajasthan Tenancy Act Section 30C, 30D. Though it is pertaining to Rajasthan, but the concept is very important. How the gift has to be accepted, when the gift is completed. All these things are there. That seems to be very logical and not somewhat any deep interpretation of law. Therefore, kindly, this is only for the socially interested advocates and those students who are have to write examination on tenancy laws, land laws. Land laws are two in category: rent and other things. Rent, tenancy laws, and acquisition proceedings. This is for them. This judgment may help how this case is being decided in favor of the person who get over the land ceiling by simply with the assistance of legal luminaries. Best wishes.